Okay, well, 2x square, 3x square and 4x square, it becomes 9x square. 9x square, again 18x, 24x, 28 square. Okay, 18, 24, ठीक है, 34 and 42, 42 and 28, 42, that is 70x, na? That is 70x. And 40, 45, 95, 95 of 48, 95 plus 40, okay, 40, 45, 48, 13 carry 1, 12, 13, 133, 133. This is our final answer. Correct? Match the answer from the answer set. Okay. Write down. So question number 6. Question number 6. What is question number 6? X plus 1 by x, let is equal to y. X plus 1 by x to power x and x to power 1 plus 1 by x. Okay. Here it is also a addition of two function. Okay, addition of two function. So let it y is equal to, let us consider u is equal to x plus 1 by x to power x and v equal to 1 plus 1 by x. Now y becomes y plus u plus v, and right here statement differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get derivative of y equal to derivative of u plus derivative of v. Okay, and this is our equation number first, and we find the separately derivative of y and derivative of v with respect to x. Okay, solve. Okay, now u equal to x plus x power x. Okay, ठीक है. On taking log both sides, we get on taking log both sides is equal to log x plus 1 by x power x. Okay, using the log property, log m to power n is equal to n log m. We use this property. Power should be in multiplication. So on differentiating, log u equal to x log x plus 1 by x. Okay, so how to differentiate this equation? How do you differentiate this function? First you solve it. So it is becomes x log. On taking LCM x, we get x square plus 1 by x. On taking LCM and we add, we get x square plus 1 by x. Okay, any doubt? Here log u. Right here statement, on differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get, okay, derivative of log u and derivative of x log x square plus 1 by x. Okay, here we use property of log, that is, since log m by n becomes log m minus log n, we use this property here. Okay, we use this property here. Then we get derivative of x log x square plus 1 minus log x. Okay, log x. And okay, now here use product rule. Here using product rule, using product rule. Okay, write the first function, find the derivative of second function. Okay, x square plus 1 minus log x, and find the derivative of first function, write the second function, plus derivative of first function and product of second function, x square plus 1 minus log x. Okay, okay, 1 by u derivative of u equal to x. Okay, now derivative of log, it is a composition function. Log x square plus 1 composition function. By using chain rule, derivative of log is 1 by x square plus 1, and derivative of second function is x square plus 1, and this derivative of second function is derivative of x square is 2x, and derivative of 1 is 0. Clear? Any doubt here? Now derivative of log is 1 by x. Okay, derivative of x is 1 into log, again this we have to x square plus 1 write down, like again x square plus 1 by x. Okay, using chain rule, so derivative of u equal to u, here 2x by x in bracket 2x by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x. Okay, and plus log x square plus 1 by x. Okay, simplify it. LCM is x square plus 1 multiplication with x 2 ways multiplication with x and 1 multiplication with x square plus 1. Okay. And plus log x square plus 1 by x. Log x square plus 1 by x. Clear? Here u. What is the value of u? What is the value of u? U is the x plus 1 by x to power x. X plus 1 to power x, na? X plus 1 by x to power x. X here 2x square minus x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 to power x. X और x cancel. X और x cancel. Plus log x square plus 1 by x. Okay. Now simplify it. Value of y is x plus 1 by x to power x and here x square minus 1 x square plus 1 plus log x square plus 1 by x. Okay, this is derivative of u. And right here equation number second. Equation number second. Now differentiate, find the derivative of v. Now find the derivative of v. What is v? V is x power 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, right here statement on taking log both side we get log v is equal to log x to power 1 plus x. Okay, using property log m to power n is equal to n log m. Log b is equal to 1 plus x to power log x. Okay, and simplify it. Okay, now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Here you use product rule. Here we use product rule. On differentiating both sides, derivative of log v. Okay, and derivative of 1 plus 1 by x power x using product rule. Using product rule. Na ub dash is equal to ub dash u dash v. Okay. Write your first function 1 by xx, find the derivative of the second function plus write here derivative of the second function and multiplication with second function. Derivative of first function and multiplication with second function. Okay, we get 1 by 1 plus x, derivative of log is 1 by x, and derivative of 1 plus 1 by x equal to 0, plus 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, mean minus 1 by x square. कैसे होगा डिफरेंशिएट? Derivative of 1 by x means derivative of x power minus 1. Okay, what is formula? Derivative of x power n is equal to nx power n minus 1 means power minus 1 and decrement of power by 1 minus 1 minus 1 to power minus 2, that is minus 1 by x square. I write here, I write here 1 by x square. Okay, and multiply with log x. Okay, now simplify it. Now simplify it. This is becomes 1 by v derivative of x, 1 by derivative of x, then derivative of v equal to v here multiplication, in multiplication v equal to 1 plus 1 by x minus log x to power x square. Okay, what is the value of v? X to power 1 plus 1 by x equal to, here LCM is x plus 1 na? X plus 1 by x and x square minus log x by x square. This is the derivative of v. Now put into a bracket and this becomes equation number 3. Now put the value of derivative of v and derivative of v from the equation number 2 and 3 respectively in equation number first. So derivative of this is equal to derivative of u plus derivative of v. What is the derivative of u? Question number 2. Okay, now simplify it further. dv derivative of v equal to x to power 1 plus 1 by x. Now taking LCM, x square x plus 1 minus log x. This is our equation number 3rd. Okay, ठीक है. Write here derivative of y, derivative of u plus derivative of v. Okay, write the derivative of u, x plus 1 by x to power x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 by x. Write here derivative of v, x to power 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, x plus 1 minus log x divided by x square. Match the answer from the answer sheet. Derivative of y. Clear?